Good morning, my first grade students of أطفال الرمث النموذجي school. How are you? Hope you are fine. In this class, inshallah, we are going to start with Unit 6. Unit 6, page 22. At first, what is the title of our lesson for today? What is the title? ما هو عنوان الدرس? The title is How old are you? How old are you? Now let us talk about the pictures. How many pictures do we have يا أول؟ كم عدد الصور؟ How many pictures do we have? There are 4 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pictures. 4 صور. Now look at picture number 1. Picture number 1. What can you see in the picture? I can see 2 boys. I can see 2 boys. And here we have colors. What about picture number 2? Who are they? This is a teacher. And here we have 2 students. The teacher is Miss Maryam. And what about this number? What is it? This is a card, which is number 6, رقم 6. And picture number 3. What can you see in the picture? I can see girls. Girls. How many girls do we have? 2 girls. 1, 2. There are 2 girls. Finally, picture number 4. What can you see in picture number 4? I can see girls, boys, and a robot. Oh, do you remember what is the robot's name? It's Dan. The robot's name is Dan. How many boys do we have? كم عدد الأولاد؟ 2 boys. How many girls do we have? 2 girls. Could you read the numbers on the cards? Could you read the numbers on the cards? Oh, yes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this lesson, يا أول, we are going to focus how to ask about the age. We are going to focus how to ask about the age. يعني بدنا نتعلم كيف أسأل عن العمر. بدي أسأل يا أول كم عمرك. The title is How old are you? Which means كم عمرك. كم عمرك. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you means كم عمرك. Let's read the lesson together يا أول. دعونا نقرأ الدرس. How old are you? I am 7. How old are you? I am 7. How old are you? I am 6. How old are you? I am 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How old are you? كم عمرك? I am 7. عمري 7. How old are you? I am 6. عمري 6. How old are you? I am 6. عمري 6. 6. This is 6. رقم 6. 7. This is 7. رقم 7. 8. G and H are silent. تكتب ولا تلفظ. 8. This is 8. رقم 8. 9. The same is here. E silent. تكتب ولا تلفظ. 9. رقم 9. 10. This is 10. رقم 10. Now يا أول, let's talk about exercise number 2. Listen and point. Listen and point. Before we start, let me ask you some questions about the pictures. How many pictures do we have? كم عدد الصور يا أول؟ How many pictures? There are 2 pictures. صورتين. 1 2. Who can you see in the pictures? Who can you see in the pictures? I can see students and a teacher. This is Miss Maryam and these are students. لدينا طلاب ومعلمة. Before we start, let me show you some pictures.
يا أول, look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? What can you see in the picture? It's a boy. It's a boy. ولد. Yes يا أول. Which pronoun do we use to talk about the boy? Which pronoun do we use to talk about the boy? أي ضمير نستخدم للتحدث عن الولد؟ We use the pronoun he. He نستخدمها للولد. نستخدم he للولد. So that we use the pronoun he to talk about the boy. We use the pronoun he to talk about the boy. Now look at this picture. What can you see in the picture? I can see a girl. I can see a girl. بنت. Which pronoun do we use to talk about the girl? Which pronoun يا أول do we use to talk about the boy? We use the pronoun she. We use the pronoun she. So that we use the pronoun she to talk about the girl. نستخدم الضمير she لنتكلم عن البنت.
Now يا أول, let's start with picture number 1. Picture number 1. How old is he? How old is he? What's the meaning of how old is he? يعني كم عمره؟ كم عمره? We said that we use the pronoun he to talk about the boy. نستخدم he نتحدث عن الولد. How old is he? كم عمره؟ كم عمره؟ He is 7. He is 7. This is the same as he is. He is أو he is 7. عمره 7. Now picture number 2. How old is she? How old is she? يعني كم عمرها؟ كم عمرها? Because we said that we use the pronoun she to talk about the girl. We use the pronoun she to talk about the girl. نستخدم الضمير she لنتحدث عن البنت. كم عمرها؟ How old is she? كم عمرها؟ She is 6. She is 6. عمرها 6. How old is he? كم عمره؟ How old is she? كم عمرها؟ Now يا أول, let's answer exercise number 1 together. التمرين الأول. Match and say. Match and say. Match means صل. Say يتكلم. قل أو تكلم. At first let us count the pictures. خلينا نعد الصور مع بعض يا أول. 1 2 3 4 5. لدينا 5 صور. Look at the first one. What can you see in the picture? I can see birds. I can see birds. طيور. What about this picture? What can you see in the picture? I can see box. Box. كتب. What can you see in the picture? I can see cars. I didn't say car. أنا ما حكيت car because I have more than one car. أكثر من سيارة. I said cars. سيارات. What can you see in the picture? I can see windows. What can you see in the picture? I can see clocks. ساعات. Let's back to the first one. How many birds? How many birds do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 birds. 10 birds. I'm going to match the picture with number 10. 10 birds. 10 طيور. 10 birds. Let's count the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 box. 9 box. We match it with 9. How many cars do we have? كم عدد السيارات؟ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cars. 8 سيارات. Where is number 8? This is 8. How many windows do we have? كم عدد الشبابيك؟ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's match it with number 7. 7. This is 7. 7 windows. 7 windows. Now, how many clocks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 clocks. 6 clocks. 6 ساعات. Exercise number 3. Choose and circle. Choose and circle. Choose يا أول means اختار. Circle means ضع دائرة. Let's do the chain together. Chain يا أول means سلسلة رياضية. Let's complete the chain together. دعونا نكملها سوية. Number A. 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? ماذا يأتي بعد 4؟ 5. Where is number 5? This one or this? This is 5. We circled 5. Number B. 6, 7, 8, 9. What comes after 9? 10. Where is 10? This one or this? This is 10. I circle 10. 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes after 5? Number 6. Where is 6? This one or this? This is 6. Number D. 3, 4, 5, 6. What comes after 6? 7. Where is 7? This is 7. This is the opposite. I'm going to go reverse. رح أرجع لورا يا أول. 8, 7, 6, 5. What is before 5? ماذا يأتي قبل 5? Before 5, I have 4. Where is number 4? This is 4. I circled 4. Exercise number 4. Find and circle 2 T sounds. In this exercise يا أول, we are going to say what can we see in the pictures. Then we are going to circle the words that contain the T letter. يعني بدنا نسمي أسماء الأشياء الموجودة معانا بالصور، والكلمة التي تحتوي حرف التي راح نحط عليها دائرة. Let's start with the first picture. What can you see in the picture يا أول? What's this? It's a book. It's a book. Do we have the T letter here? No, ما فيها حرف التي. Let's move here. What can you see in the picture? It's a door. It's a door. Door. Do we have T letter here? هل لدينا حرف التي؟ No. What can you see in the picture? It's a tree. Tree, شجرة. Do we have the T letter here? Yes, so that we circle the word. This is T. Let's move here. What is the number? It's number 4. Do we have the T letter? No, ما عنا حرف التي. What is the number? It's number 6. رقم 6. Do we have the T letter? No, ما فيها حرف التي. What is the number? It's number 2. 2. Do we have the T letter? Yes, this is T letter. فيها حرف التي, so that we circled it. Thank you.